G'day guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. We now have a join button on our channel, so if you would like to become a part of the IFR mod squad, it is greatly appreciated. We also have a Patreon. If the join button is not for you, the links will be in the description.
change your defeated by the dreams and the memories we've made, to see it crashing out the skies like a tidal wave down on me, walking alone on the coldest night.
G'day guys, welcome back to another video featuring another PC build. We have lots of RGB inside this one, some mirrored acrylic for a different kind of look that we have done before, and of course we do have our custom reservoir distribution panel on the top with the mirrored acrylic as well. Gives it this nice clean feel which I really enjoyed with this build. And then of course we do have our custom panel etching on the sides and up the top. The custom panel etching took lots of hours to complete. I think the top was like 8 hours to complete, and then this front was about 3 hours for both sides. So a lot of work put into etching things like that. We've got all of the tubes running nice and parallel into our custom distribution plate, and overall a really nice clean design we feel. Inside of the system we have the Intel Core i9-9900X CPU on an X299 motherboard from MSI. This is the Creation, and we also have the MSI SEAHAWK 2080 graphics card. That is the graphics card that comes with a built-in water block. For the RAM we do have two sets of Thermaltake's new water RAM. So there is actually 64 gigabytes of RAM on this system. The cables are from Cable Mod. They are their white sleeved cables, and they do have the white aluminium cable combs. And we do have a PCI SSD storage device from Plextor. That's got a bit of an RGB strip on the top. It looks really nice inside this system. Now this was actually a build that was at Computex 2019. Unfortunately, none of you guys saw it at Computex because we didn't have any time to put this out on social media. Some of you guys may have seen some images from other people and some video footage, but right now, this is the final build. We did have to fix it up a bit after it came back. It was a bit damaged in the crate, but I'm glad that we got it done. Anyway guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave a like, consider subscribing, and leave a comment down below. What do you like about this system? Also, we now have a join button on YouTube. So if you want to become a part of the IFR Mod Squad, check out that join button. Be one of our first couple of channel members. It's greatly appreciated for your support. We also have Patreon. Check that out. Links will be in the description. And if you want to see any parts in this build, I will link them down in the description below. They are Amazon affiliate links. Helps us out at no cost to you. It's greatly appreciated. Anyway, guys, check out more videos on the channel, and we'll see you guys next week for another PC build.